How to turn on Vibrate on notification on Snapchat. Today guys, I will show you how to turn on this option. Just watch the video until the end. You go first guys and you open Snapchat. Then when Snapchat is opening, you go up and open your profile. Then when your profile is opening, as you see, you go here on settings and click. Then you go down and you will search for notification here, and when you found notification, just click on it. Then you go down and you will find Vibrate. You will turn on Vibrate like this by clicking on this icon, and that's it. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like in our channel and subscribe in our channel, and if you have any question, you can write it down in comments, and see you next video.